Out with the old, in with the new. Brand new artificial grass at Weslaco East High School football stadium.
It's unbelievable. I'm just looking at it each day. They're putting more and more in, and it looks nice.
The turf is a vertex core surface used by some prominent college football programs and NFL teams. The new turf is the latest cooling technology and will increase safety for all athletes. The installation comes just in time for a new season.
We have the turf, and then on top of the turf we have the infill, which is the sand, the rubber, and then this specific project has something called Cool Play that goes on top of the whole infill, which keeps the field a little cooler.
Throughout the month of August, crews work during the day battling the heat and at night staying as late as 11. When we visited the facility, the crew was already laying the turf after the field was smoothed with base rock and beads.
Once it gets settled in, the material gets settled in and weathered in, you're going to have a nice, playing surface that's almost like natural grass.
With the E-layer, the cushion, it helps with the concussions and stuff. And on the turf, if it rains, we don't have to worry about mud and all that stuff.
The Wildcat football team will practice on it daily in preparation for Friday Night Lights. But the surface will also benefit all sub-varsity games, including middle school and soccer games. Along with the artificial grass, players and fans will enjoy a new scoreboard.
WISD does a good job. If something goes bad, they get it fixed. They're here for the kids.
For KWES TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.